Hi, I create videos and photos, and I prefer to film during the day with natural sunlight. But during the winter, the days are much shorter, and so I bought this ring light so I could continue to film and snap videos. So this is really nice. It's got the spot for your phone. It also tilts. The ring light also tilts. It has a tripod bottom that's adjustable up and down, and then these different poles are also adjustable up and down. So I am going to show you just really high speed how I put it together, the features of the two remotes, and why I love this so much. Okay, here is the carrying case. It does have a handle and it's made out of very durable materials. So of course we've got the tripod stand, the light, and then each of these pieces I'm going to go over as the video progresses because each plays an important role in how this whole thing functions. So I do want to show you that on the stand there are many different areas that can go up and down and adjustable, tighten and loosen the knobs there. Same here with the light, putting it on the pole, and it's adjustable as well. The phone holder it's spring loaded, can get bigger if you need it to, and then this is the mechanism that attaches it to the whole pole. You can put it on either the long edge or the short edge for horizontal or vertical videos, and then you just tighten all the pieces, and then we're going to plug it in, and here's the remote. So you can play around with this. You can do brighter, dimmer, you can do cooler, warmer. This is the second remote that turns the video or the photo on and off, and then this is the handy case to carry the two remotes. Okay, so it's evening time. I have just the light from my kitchen and no light from the ring. And there we have the light from the ring. And I'm making it cooler and making it warmer. And that's with both on. So as you can tell, this is much, much better than all of the crazy shadows that I had in my house. So this is a really nice ring light. All of the features are just so good and so easy to use, and I am excited to use this more. Thanks.